Hello esteemed viewers, welcome to our first physics tutorial for today. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at a question on length, and this question is a typical JAMB question. So if you pay attention to this question, you are going to use the logic that is used in solving this question in solving similar questions like this in your examination. In your examination, you'll be given 40 questions, and I promise you 2 or 3 questions on lenses will be out. So prepare your mind to solve questions like this. The question for today's class says an object is placed in front of a concave image of focal length 20 centimeter. The focal length is 20 centimeter. The focal length is 20 centimeter. And the image is virtual, and you know virtual image can be seen on the mirror and has a magnification of 20 of 2. What is the distance of the object from the lens? Now, whenever you are given any physics question, the first thing you ask yourself is, what are the parameters that are given, and what are the parameters that are required, and what are the formulas that I can use as long as this topic is concerned to solve these questions? These are the first 3 questions you should ask yourself. This is our channel, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel so as to get our subsequent physics solution videos once they are uploaded. Now let's solve this question. Now to solve this question, remember the first question I said you should ask yourself, what are the parameters that are given? In this question, we are given the focal length, which is f. We are given our f to be equal to 20 centimeter. Fine. We are also given a magnification to be equal to 2. And remember, we are now asked to look for the distance of the object from the lens, which is u, and our u is equal to what we are given. Remember, in solving questions like this, we should bear in mind that we need to get to know the image distance too, and the image distance is very, very important. But there is no mention that was made of the virtual image distance. We are only told that the image is virtual. Now, from this question now, you ask yourself, what are the parameters that are given? We are given focal length, we are given magnification. What are the parameters that need to be looked for? The distance of the object, which is u. Now, what are the formulas that we can use in solving this? Well, when it comes to length, we should remember 2 formulas. The first formula is our magnification, which is equal to V divided by U. And that V can be image height divided by object height, or the distance of image from the lens, or over the distance of the object from the lens. That's the one formula you should bear in mind. In solving length too, we also have a formula 1 over f, which is equal to 1 divided by the image distance plus 1 divided by the object distance. Now, this is the formulas we are going to use in solving this question. Now, the first thing we need to do is to find out the value of V, because we are given, we need V in order to find this value. We need to get the value of V. And remember, we have been given our magnification to be equal to 2. We aren't given what V is, and we don't know what our U is. So from that expression, we'll see that if we make V the subject of formula, V will be equal to 2 times the object distance, which is 2u. So from here, we have come to know what our V is, that our V is 2u. So if we substitute it here, we'll have our 1 divided by 20 equal to 1 divided by 2u plus 1 divided by what? U. Now we have arrived at the point in which we need to simplify that expression in order to get our final result. Now to simplify that expression, remember all we need to do is to find the LCM. Now let's look at the LCM of this side. If we take the LCM of that side, the LCM will be 2, the denominator, the common value will be 2u. 2u divided by 2u will give us 1 plus 2u divided by u will give us 2. And then in the other side, we are going to have this to be equal to 1 divided by what? 20. So if we cross multiply, that expression will now give us 3 divided by 2u equal to 1 divided by what? 20. Now when we cross multiply, we are going to have 2u to be equal to 20 multiplied by 3. So our 2u will be equal to 60. Now if we divide both sides by 2, divide these sides by 2, we are going to have that expression to now become 2 we clear 2, and then we'll have our u to be equal to 60 divided by 2 is what? 30 centimeter. So our final result for that question, u, the image distance from the lens is what? 30 centimeters. So the solution to that question is option C. So you see, solving question like this can be very easy. All you need to do is to get to know the question very well, know the parameters that you are given, know the parameters you are looking for, get to know the formulas that you need to solve or get that parameters you are looking for, and boom, apply the formulas and then solve your question. Physics is all about knowing the formulas and manipulating the formulas in order to find your required parameter you are looking for. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel so that you could be able to get our subsequent physics content once they are uploaded. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.